So guys, Bonfida or ticker Fida or Fida, I don't never know how to pronounce some of these, is absolutely pumping right now. Let's jump into it, man. I'm not going to waste any time. Up a whopping 74% right now in the price action, trading at $3.83 with a total market cap of about $171 million. Chart going ham right now. I'm going to jump into the Fida chart. I'm going to analyze this breakout, and we're going to see what's going on. This is my first time looking at this chart, so guys, stick around for the video. Smash up the likes, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Now, I'm actually going to be using the FTX chart here for Bonfida or Fida token because it has more price history available for us to look at. And guys, it's looking pretty nice here. Now, we do have some resistance coming up. I'll talk about that here in just a second, but let's go ahead and put in some lines here, guys. We got to get some support, resistance levels in here and see what we got going on. So the first thing I want to point out is this, because basically I would expect this to be possible resistance in the future here, because this was support, right? This was your uptrend that you broke right here. So this is a good area to look at for possible resistance in the future price action. And I'm already noticing something, guys. Already right off the bat noticing something. Look at this. Look at how this trend line is lining up perfectly here with your 200-day moving average for Fida token or Bonfida. Okay, this is your 200 EMA, guys. Your 200-day moving average in green is lining you up perfectly there with that previous support line, guys. And if you look back here where I lined it up, I mean, it just makes perfect sense. Got a nice touch there with that wick. Nice touch here, a little bit of a fake out below it right there. And then you did break it here. And looks like you're on your way back up to test it. So that resistance coming up is going to put you at about $5 for Fida token. Okay, so, or Fida, I don't know. Either way, about $5 is going to be possible resistance coming up. Now, let's see where we're at now. Where we're at now is good. This looks good. I don't see any reason why this thing couldn't go ahead and shoot on up to $5 before seeing a little pullback there. I do think a pullback at $5 is going to make sense. If you look back here, there's previous support right there. Lines you up with $5 as well. But where we're at now, we're currently above this previous resistance. That's beautiful. A nice little bounce off of that previous resistance level there. Also previous support right here. Actually, you caught a little bounce off of that previous resistance right here, sort of, and then bounced. So where we're at now is looking good for Fida. Now, I do want to put in this downtrend also, guys, and see if we can't come up with a possible target that gets you above $5. So let's take a look at that really quickly. First let me go back here and let's take a look at this downtrend, and then we're going to take a look at our other areas of resistance. But we have absolutely broken up out of this perfectly, guys. Okay, so your downtrend resistance is right here. If you look at this, you have multiple touches to confirm. You know, you have touches here, got a touch here, and then you have like 3 touches right here and a beautiful breakout. Absolutely beautiful price action for this token, guys. I have not been following this one. Unfortunately, it's not one I've been following, or I probably would have been trying to scoop this up down here. Now, if we take a look at this downtrend, that's been broken. Can we form a pattern out of this? I do not think so. There's really nothing going on here in the way of a possible pattern. You were just in this downtrend, right? You're pretty much just in a downtrend. No really significant type of pattern to go by there. So where can we look at to find a possible more bullish target than $5 for Fida? If Fida breaks above this previous support, reclaims this long-term support and bounces, that's where this longer-term resistance line comes in, guys. And this is true for almost every chart that I've looked at, guys. Most charts, if they look like this, you can almost guarantee that you can determine your possible future resistance and targets by just simply putting in your resistance levels, okay? As always, guys, not financial or investment advice. Disclaimer down below. Invest, trade at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor, but let's take a look at these targets. Okay, so for Fida token, for Bonfida, guys, this is a Solana-based token, I believe, and this is beautiful for Fida token, guys, and just Solana as well, with Coinbase adding 2. Not just this one, but Coinbase adding 2 Solana-based tokens is very good for Solana as well. I'm going to take a look at that in a future video. But going back to this, guys, like I said, you're in a nice rising channel. You broke your support. You fell below it. If you get back up above $5 and you reclaim this long-term support and you bounce here, I would be looking somewhere up here in this range for a possible target. I'll point out some other resistance levels that we can look at too, but I would definitely be looking somewhere up in this range. Okay, guys, if we manage to get above this support and reclaim this support, I do believe, let me get this back here and extend this on out some. I do believe if we can manage to get up here and reclaim this support here, I don't see any reason why we couldn't stair-step our way up to reach approximately this $40 range, guys. $40 range for Fida token. Okay, that's going to put you up here anywhere around $48 to $50, guys. And that would be sometime in April, possibly even May of this year. But that would be around $48 to $50, guys, for Fida token. And as I said really quickly, I'll go ahead and throw in some other areas of possible support and resistance levels from the past that might play out as resistance here in the future on the way to the upside. So obviously right now, the next one up, guys, is going to be this resistance at 5. And after that, the next level up is going to be your tops from back here. And that's going to put you in at about, let's go ahead and put a trend line in there. We'll put one in here at this first top. That's going to be at about $9. And then, of course, this wick up here would be your ultimate top here, your all-time high, I believe. That's going to be around $15. Okay, so then you have your resistance levels here to look at for possible pullbacks. So it could play out something similar to this. It's always just my opinion, but you could come up here, have a pullback, come up here, have a pullback, and you know, have a continuation up to test this resistance line. And just to quickly point out possible support levels if we do continue to the downside, or say we come up, get rejected by this previous support level at $5 and we pull back, your support's going to be really right below where you're at now. You have support at about $3.25, and then you're going to have support down here at about $2.50, and then you're going to have support, of course, down here around the $1.50 to $1.60 range. Thanks for watching this quick update on Fida. I just noticed it breaking out, noticed it being up quite a bit, so I thought I would bring you guys an update on this token, give you guys my opinion on the chart here. If you enjoyed this and you like these type of videos, hit the subscribe button. You're not in the wrong place if you love crypto. Hit that like button for me. It helps out a ton. You wouldn't believe the difference you can make if you just hit the like button. And check out averagedocrypto.io. It's the website for our community-driven meme token project, also the official website for the AJC squad. We're doing a giveaway, guys. It's going to be a Dogecoin giveaway. All you have to do is be one of the top, or one of the first 25 holders of the AJC token. So check out averagedocrypto.io. Links are in the description as well. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.